Buenas. No sé qué sería mejor para no intercambiar dinero. O sea, le quiero poner 250, pero si es menos,
¿Tarjeta?
si son 220 se queda 30, si son 200 se queda 50.
Ah, ok.
¿Sí? ¿Está bien?
Sí. Entonces, 250.
Y si es menos, pues lo resuelvo para usted.
Ah, ok. Gracias. ¿Magna?
No, premio.
Ahí o la quieres poner para ver si se bajó.
No, así,
Ok. ¿Va a ser efectivo o tarjeta?
efectivo.
¿Así?
Sí.
Gracias, Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
What happened at this point, and the reason why I'm going so fast and so hard, is because I was going over the speed limit and I saw another motorcycle incorporating onto this like piece of highway. And when I looked at the motorcycle, I saw that it was a Kawasaki Ninja, so I thought, oh, that's great. This guy will probably want to race, he'll want to, play around, whatnot. This will be cool. And then when I looked at him a second time, I noticed it was a police officer. So I didn't really know what to do, so I thought, well, I'll just pull over, it is what it is, I'm in the wrong. But then I had a second idea where I just gunned it, and this is me, gunning it to not get a ticket, basically. Then around here I slowed down because I remembered that there was a speed camera, so I was trying to look for it so I could brake just in time. And then later on you'll see that I saw it at the last second, so I did manage to brake, but I don't think I was at the appropriate speed. So I still haven't got a ticket through the mail or anything, so maybe I actually did go, maybe I actually did lower my speed enough, but well, it's around here where I'm just going like 100, and then I see the cameras right there in the top corner, and I brake hard, so you can see that I hit the brake from like 110 to like 80, and I was nervous, like, oh my gosh, was I going too fast? Am I gonna get a ticket? But I think I didn't. When I saw that red car going kind of fast and like swerving in between cars, I naturally assumed like, hey, he wanted to race, so we had an impromptu, spontaneous little mini race, I guess. So right there, I just checked over, I looked over my corner to make sure I could pass between those cars without getting hit, but yeah, I mean, it wasn't too dangerous, but you know, it was all under control, but it was still lots and lots of fun. But and then at this point, I gave him the thumbs up because I was really enjoying it, and I'm not sure if he saw me, but at the end, when I like finally gave up and like decided to go home, I know that he saw me at that point. So since I see that he's still swerving in between cars, I picked it up again, and actually I actually wanted to get off on that exit, the one where that white car got off. But since there were no cars and, you know, it was a straight line and there's no speed cameras and I think he's still racing, I just, you know, put my foot down. Well, I didn't really put my foot down. I twisted my wrist, you know. But yeah, I had fun. So it was a tiny, mini, spontaneous race. But yeah, so I had gone out on my motorcycle because thanks to quarantine, I hadn't even used it. So I was worried that the battery would die and the tires would basically rot. But everything was fine, fun, safe. So it was a great, you know, fun, quick ride.